Heyo! It's me, Kennah, and welcome to my channel. Alright, for today's video, we will be having another makeup tutorial, but gusto ko na fresh lang, madalian na makeup tutorial kasi medyo tinatamad po ako sa life ngayon. Just want it to be simple, ayun nga, fresh, and easy makeup look. So, mag-disclaimer lang po ako, pagpasensya nyo na if ever may maririnig kayo mga unnecessary noises, hangin, and mga bubong na nagliliparan dahil, or yung mga tumutunog ng mga bubong, dahil malakas po ang hangin sa labas, plus mainit kaya kailangan ko magbukas ng electric fan. Super duper easy lang nitong makeup look na gagawin natin. Actually, I do have makeup inspiration and I will post it here. Yes, that is NADINE LUSTRE, and I can't remember kung kailan niya yan pinost, but I saw it on her IG. Without any further dalda, let's move on to the tutorial. So ayan, I already clipped my hair para walang sagabal sa mga gawain natin at mga pangarap natin sa life. So we will be using primer para smooth yung ating base. So this is Canya Babe Skin Bye Bye Pores Oily Bye na pore eraser primer. Suggest naman kayo guys kung anong primer ang magandang gamitin. Kasi wala na akong maisip na primer. I really want your suggestion. Very simple lang yung ating makeup ngayon. So for our base, may bago tayong gagamitin. So this is Hues AU Naturelle Skin Tint. I'm in the shade Vanilla. I did a review about this. Just check my IG. I created IGTV for, of course, for this product. Super ganda ng coverage. Hindi ganun kakapal, hindi rin ganun kanipes. It is enough for you to cover a lot of imperfection. Pero yung mga ganitong klase, hindi niya matatakpan. So, I will just spread this skin tint all over my face and we will gonna use a brush. And I really love the smell of this one. Ano, see? Nalighten niya ng bahagya yung aking tigawat, but not totally na cover niya. But that's okay. May SPF din pala to. It's SPF 35 PA3+. See? Dewy, glowy, and very natural lang yung coverage. Okay, so to cover all of my imperfections, so this is the Detail Makeover Intense Cover Concealer. I'm in light.
You mean bread and butterfly?
And then let's try to cover this up, but not a lot. And then let's start to blend. Iiwan ko muna yung nasa under eye para mag-set siya ng konti. Tapos, yung Happy You na AU Naturelle Skin Tint, ang dali rin niyang i-blend. Nakita niyo naman kanina. So, there you go. This is our base. And next naman na gagawin natin is tayo ay magba-blush. So, I will be using the Sassy Chic Sassypot in Lovesick Girls. So this is 3-in-1 multi-pot product. So you can use it on your lids, lips, and cheeks. Next naman, for powder, I will be using this Nichido Final Powder. I miss this. Kasi hindi ko na siya nagagamit. I will not bake, I will just set. Kayo guys, kung meron kayong marirecommend na K-drama to watch, except Penthouse, kasi naka-reserve na talaga yan. So, for our brows, I will be using this Missy Cosmetics na Eyebrow Pomade, Brows on Fleek, in the shade Kitkat. So, kukuha lang ako ng powder from EB Advance Eyebrow Kit. I will get this darker shade right here. Ayan. And ito, paghahaluin ko lang silang dalawa. And of course, my favorite thing to do sa aking eyebrow is to set it with a brow gel. So this is my favorite. Well, this is my first time to use a eyebrow gel. This Vice Cosmetics. Girl, masabi ko sa inyo, alam ko masyado nang late to recommend this, pero kung hindi mo pa to na-try, itry mo kasi mag-iiba yung brow game mo. Ito yung magiging highlight ng look. So, gagamit tayo ng brown eyeliner. Pero since wala akong brown eyeliner, gagamit na lang ako ng powder. So, this is from Detail Makeover or Detail Cosmetics Sunset Dream 15 Colors Eyeshadow Palette. And we will be using this shade for our eyeliner. And yun lang para sa ating eyes. Gamit tayo ng ganitong klase ng brush. Para rin siyang pomade brush pero mas fluffy. So, it is perfect talaga for powder. So, nagpalit ako ng brush. Ito na yung ginamit ko, yung ginamit natin kanina sa powder. And then, hanggang gitna lang tayo. See? And then, blend out ko lang ng konti. Pataas.
I'll never catch him while I'm this small. Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
There you go. So, that's our eye makeup. Diba? Simple. So, let's move on sa ating mascara. I will just curl my lashes. And ang gagamitin nating mascara is from Forencos. Yeah, I really love also this mascara kasi basta makikita ninyo. Ginawa ko rin to actually ng review sa aking IG. Diba sa IG na ako mas madalas nagpo-post. Kasi kapag mga isang product, dalawang product, sa IG ko na lang siya pinopost, hindi na dito sa YouTube. Oh, mascara ho, 'di ba? See? So, hindi na ako magko-contour. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero wala ako sa mood mag-contour. So, for our highlight, gagamitin ko tong Prism Air ng Clio in the shade 01 Gold Sheer. Ito rin, gustong-gusto ko rin to. Well, thank you so much, YESSTYLE, for sending this. Highlighter. And for our lipstick, gagamitin ko rin tong Forencos. This products is sent to me by them. Yes, Forencos. I will leave their Lazada link down on the description box. So, please check them out dahil magaganda yung mga products nila. Medyo maharlika nga lang, pero it really worth your money. Ito ay nasa shade na 20 Zinnia. Super nude. Sobrang ganda. Amoy bubblegum pati siya. Ang bango-bango. So, hayaan ko lang na medyo mag-set siya ng konti and ipapat natin siya dito sa tissue. Okay, so I am thinking if maglalagay pa ako ng gloss sa kanya, but babalitaan ko na lang kayo. Pero kung sakaling maglagay ako ng gloss, ang gagamitin ko is this PAELLY Colorete na lip gloss in Dahlia. Tatapusin ko lang itong aking makeup look, mag-aayos and such, and I will be back. So, there you go. This is our final look and I really love the result. Even sobrang simple lang ng look natin. And this scrunchie is from PAELLY Colorete. Well, I don't even know if nagbebenta sila ng scrunchie alone. Pero ang alam ko lang is parang freebie nila itong mga scrunchies na to. Lahat ng mga ginamit kong products nasa description box din in case na may hindi man ako nasabi, but I believe wala naman. Yeah, sobrang nagustuhan ko itong ating makeup look today. Sana nagustuhan ninyo rin. If you do, please like this video, share this video, subscribe on my YouTube channel. Of course, don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. And comment kayo sa baba kung ano pang gusto nyong makitang makeup looks dito sa ating YouTube channel. Marami na akong nakalista, but of course, mas maganda kung galing sa inyo yung mga ideas. See you guys on my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!